Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today we're going to talk about this DIY essential oil poo spray. The holidays are nigh upon us and people are going to come to your house. Have this ready for when they have a situation in the bathroom. 1 tablespoon of vodka. If you have it, do a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. This will create a seal over the offending situation. Now all we need to do is add our essential oils. I'm using a citrus and I'm using a clove. It's a little bit holiday fun smell. It also helps, the clove also helps eliminate bacteria. Ew. I'm doing 20 drops of the citrus and 10 drops of clove. Now that we've added all of our ingredients, we're gonna fill the rest of it with water. Filter water. Give it a good shake and you're ready to go. Big thank you to Wellness Mama for the recipe to this. I'll put a link to her spray down below. Yes. Some glamour shots of the poo spray.